big placer and our celebrity big winner. Riza at Ruben, kung sino sa kanila ang minahal at sinuportahan ng taong bayan. Ruben, Riza?
Tony!
Hi, Tony! Congratulations to the two of you. Ano ang pakiramdam ninyo? Isa sa inyo ay celebrity big winner na. Ruben?
Hindi pa makapaniwala, parang nananigini pa rin ako. Nananaginip pa rin ako.
Riza!
Ako din po, nananaginip din ako. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm here.
Yeah,
You are both here. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Nais kong pakinggan ninyo kung mabuti. Dahil ang pangalan na aking babanggitin or unang babanggitin na pangalan na inyong maririnig ay ang ating second big placer. Ang maiiwan ay ang ating celebrity big winner. Riza and Ruben, are you ready?
Ready na?
Yes.
Listen to this. Garnering 430,135 text votes or 27.33% of the total number of votes. Congratulations! You are the Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Edition second big placer. Riza!
Nandito ang Resource Mobilization Officer, Jenny Villanueva. And of course, Riza's parents, Dina and Ruel. Wow! Mga kapamilya, second big placer, let's all welcome Riza!
Riza, welcome back to the outside world. Congratulations!
Oh my gosh! I don't know if I can hold you.
Riza, congratulations! And here are your checks from Jack and Jill Snacks and Globe Asiatic, and of course from ABS-CBN.
Oh my gosh! And of course, Riza, I know na nagpunta siya dito sa Pilipinas para tumulong, and now you finally get to help your charity. Go give the check sa Bantay Bata from Globe Asiatic. It's right here, 500,000 pesos for Bantay Bata 163. And your parents are here. Congratulations, Riza!
Our second big placer, Riza.
Riza, how do you feel? Ikaw ang second to the last na lumabas.
I'm at a loss for words. To God be the glory. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Congratulations sa'yo. Ngayon naman, pakinggan natin ang lahat ng naligom na boto ni Ruben. Garnering 506,402 text votes or 32.17% of the total number of votes.